Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I want to show you this foot massage. Snailax foot massage with heat, kneading, vibration. Electric foot massage machine with remote control, foot warmer. This gadget is ideal gift for mom, dad, relative and friends. The size is up to size 12. This Snailax Foot Massage offers comprehensive and comfortable massage experience featuring deep kneading, vibration, and air control, all within 3 levels of intensity adjustment. And you can easily customize this to your liking. Fast, soothing heating experience. Quickly heat up to maximum temperature of 131 degrees Fahrenheit in 30 seconds. It also offers 2 adjustable temperature settings to let you find the most suitable temperature for yourself. Offer ample space, comfortable inside, accommodating feet up to size 12, and is ideal for the whole family so that everyone can enjoy its benefits. Equipped with remote control, which is easy to operate. It is well suited for birthday, Christmas, anniversaries, Valentine's Day, and also various other holidays. I ordered this gadget online. Portable and lightweight, anti-slip, rubber padded, washable inner cover, comfort design. You can also personalize foot massage, use function individual or combination as you like. So you have power on and off, vibration low, medium and high, kneading low, medium and high, heat low, medium and off, and compression low, medium and high. We're going to unbox this stuff, check it out and see what is inside. See what it looks like. Very light. This is the power cable and the information pack. Remote control. This is the remote control here. Just need to remove this plastic so that the battery will function. This is the information manual, the information pack. This is the power cable. So you go at the back, you connect this power cable here, push it in, then plug it onto the socket, and you can see, so you switch it on and off from this button here. Can be washed. The material can also remove this material. Okay, so this can be detached here. Yeah, so this can be detached and washed, so you can wash this material. Yeah, so there's a velcro. You put one end to this end and another one and another inside it. The same thing is applicable to the left one, so it can be removed and washed. Okay, you can see there's a velcro that hold it together. This, then you go inside and look for that second one. So this is the left one, and this one is the right. You can see how it is. So this one needs to be at the back, this one goes to the front. So ideally, if you put your hand, you go in, okay, go in and look for it, okay, and you can see it's in. Then you put the second one at the back, then put the zip in, Yeah, so this, you can see the zip is gone in. So this is how to put this on. Likewise, going to put this second one. So ideally, put your hand inside, then you go in, and once you go in, you look for the Velcro. Okay, then you can see it's in. Then you do the back heel part, and this one is in part. Then put the zip. This is if you want to wash it. So this is how to remove the cloth if you want to wash it. Yeah, you can see it's quite comfortable. This is very comfy. So it can increase the heat, likewise reduce the heat, vibration, and air, kneading. This gadget deserves your highly recommended with detachable foot sleeve, remote control, and control panel. So there's a control panel here. So this button on top, if you press this, the heat goes off. If you press it again, it starts from high, low, and so if you press the heat, it starts from high, medium, low, and off. Likewise, vibration can go from high, low, from high, medium, and low. Likewise, air goes from high, medium, and low. Knead, it goes from high, medium, and low. So you can control it from the top. Likewise, control it with the remote control. So this is what we have here. I'm very much happy with this. It's highly recommended. Thank you very much indeed.